Hi, Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Nissan XTRAIL 2.2 CDI Aventura, the top of the range. 2 owners from new and 71,000 miles. Now it's had a new bumper and a new jet spray refurb bumper. It's a Cat N car, non-structural. It was just the front bumper. Insurance gone mad. And as you can see, it is as straight as a die. Right, get that over and done with. Take you down the side and the line of the car, taking in the wheels. Look at the rear arches. Again, absolutely super condition. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. The car will come with 12 months MOT, which is being done next week. Hopefully Monday, if they'll let us book it in. Again, taking down the line of the car. It's just had a full service on it, and I mean a full service. Taking in the wheel arches there, again, no issues whatsoever. This is a proper and correct car. There you go. Okay, so there you have it. I'll take you inside the car now, so I'll see you in a minute. Hi, it's Phil again. I'm back now. So what I'll do is I'll take you inside the car. So taking in the engine bay first. It's just had a full service, and what I mean by a full service is oil, air, fuel and pollen. Engine is absolutely cracking. Now don't forget, it's only done 71,000 miles. It's 2 owners from new. I'm trying to trace the service history. There's a service there with Nissan, as you can see. So, and don't forget, this is the Aventura, so it has the sat-nav, multifunction steering wheel, has the jet wash headlights, the wind mirrors fold in, you've got the heated seats, 6-speed box, electric seats and so on, central armrest, cup holders, full leather, 17-inch alloys. You've got the tow bar with the twin socket on the back, spare wheel with locking wheel nut. As I said, it is a 2 owner from new. It's just a proper, correct car. It's got the original factory mats with it, as you can see. So there you have it. If you need any more information, give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270, and my name's Phil. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.